Petals fall in a gentle breeze, whispering secrets from the trees, dancing softly with delight, blooming colors in the night. Thorns protect the fragile heart,